men a sack. They let him throw the ball for a ball. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. A touchdown at that. That's crazy. I had to man. But that's all right. Let's go, y'all. Scam the ball and let Warren do his thing, man. Who hurt now? Another ball? Man, they getting banged all up. It's going to come down to our defense. Watch. If we can score on this drive, it's going to come down to the defense. We need points. We're in field goal range now, but we need a touchdown bad. It's been there all game. All game, man. It's been there all game. They don't even throw the fire move. He keep going to Stanton. He's some trash. He won't even go after the ball to try to knock the ball from the defender. He almost gave up an interception. We need a touchdown. No field goal. 3 minutes left. On the 2-yard line. 3rd and 2. 353. No timeouts. This is a must that we score a touchdown. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Like I kept saying, go to the outside. It's like time y'all on, man. Go to the outside. Keep trying to run it up the middle. To the outside, man. Let's go. That defense, y'all gotta come out here and play. Real. It's crazy. Make this extra point, boss. Make this extra point. Alright, they need to get a field goal. Tied up, touchdown to win. We ain't got no timeouts. Let's go, defense. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, Devo! Yeah, Devo! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go, defense! Don't let us, let's go, defense! Let's go! Let's go, defense! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Let's go! TJ sack. We need a sack, TJ. We need a fumble, TJ. We need something. Let's go, Highsmith. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, D. Hey! Yeah, good hit. Hey. 3rd and 1, gave to Derrick Henry. He should get that, right? Let's go, defense. Let's go, defense. Let's go, defense. What the hell? That's crazy, man. This is what we got Aaron Rodgers for right here. All right, man. That's the easy part. First down. We need to get in that box, though. That look good. We need to get in the box. If this why we dance with Aaron Rodgers on that, we about to see. Ooh, that was a good hit. That was a good hit. Good catch. Let's go, man. First down. Kenny G, man. Kenny G. Defense. That's why we got Aaron Rodgers. That's why we got Aaron Rodgers. Ain't that right? Boswell. That's a good return. Defense gonna have to step it up now. Man, always gotta be a nail biter. Always gotta be a stress joint. And never just blow somebody out, huh? Stressful. That's the Ravens Steelers game for you. Two more plays. Two more plays, man. Two more plays. It's stressful right here. For real. This is crazy. Let's go, D! Let's go! Defense! Let's go, man! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's yeah! Look at their faces. Nail biter! Yeah! 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 Give me some! Give me some! Yeah! 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 Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! We were having a good ride home tonight. I'm going to eat. Yeah! That's right. Yeah.
Look, they're all gone.
All
now.
gone.
They're
Hey,
talking all that shit.
All that, yeah, them Raven fans right there, y'all. They left.